I will be reading day 2 of week 13 of 180 days of reading. It says when your hands are cold, what is the solution to the problem? Maybe you rub your hands together. Your hands get warm when you rub them against each other. Why does this happen? It's because of friction. Friction is a force that happens whenever any two objects move against each other. Friction is needed to push the objects past each other. Friction creates energy. When you rub your hands together, energy creates the heat you feel. Rough objects such as sidewalks have more friction than smooth objects such as ice. That is why it is easier to walk on a sidewalk than it is to skate on ice. We need friction. Friction helps you walk and makes the brakes on your bike work. It is an important force. Number 1. Which question would help readers understand the text? A. What causes friction? B. Why are my hands cold? C. Why does friction make moving easier? D. Why is friction unimportant? Which question would help readers understand the text? Number 2. Which index entry would help a reader find this text information? A. Hands. B. Energy. C. Brakes. Or D. Friction. Which index entry would help a reader find this text information? Number 3. Which word has the same root as creates? Is it A. Eater. B. Crest. C. Ate. Or D. Creation? Which word has the same root word as creates? Number 4. Which words are antonyms? Antonyms mean they are the opposites. Is it A. Cold and warm? B. Rough and smooth? C. Solution and problem? Or D. All of the above? Which words are antonyms? And number 5. Which other type of text would have a similar tone? Is it A. Construction magazine? B. A science book? C. An instruction manual for riding bikes? Or D. A history textbook? That is it for day 2.